xin chào mọi người. Christmas is almost coming. Merry Christmas. Today I first like the Disney Pixar can for Disney Princess. Dustbin.
It's okay, just put it. What are you opening? You must introduce to your...
Toy Story. I cracked it first. Merry Christmas. Yes. Oopsie. Oopsie. One egg. Can I put this? I'll move it near. Give me some time. We have the horse. Now, Daddy show the subscriber. Leave the comment section. We don't know the name. Leave the comment section below.
You hope whether you get the gold one, the special edition.
I'll let you show the subscriber. I will let every day, every time you need to show that subscribe, okay?
Okay.
Because I don't let the video get too slow. It's melting. And it's oily. It's okay. Daddy help show the subscribers.
Okay. Who you've got?
The unicorn.
The
Leave
unicorn.
the comment section below.
What, the names is it?
Yes, all the
Comment section is it?
Yes.
Okay. What's next?
Disney Pixar cars.
Okay. One of my favorites, right?
I love to get Lightning McQueen. Lightning McQueen is my favorite.
What do you've got?
The new one, the new.
This one is it the glow in the dark stickers, right? I think it's the glow in the dark stickers.
Maybe we need to check it
This is
out.
the limited edition. Yes, it's the glow in the dark stickers.
What?
Yeah, this one you see the stickers all can glow in the dark.
All these can glow one.
Hmm.
All these car can glow all car one.
Yeah.
We will Sahu. And the white one and the blue one are two same one.
Yes.
This one is one is the white, one is the blue. Is same name, same.
Same name, is it?
Yes. Don't talk about them. Make a flick hole. I dig it up. I make a big hole. Make
Metal, is it? Metal, you see the bunny teeth, like a bunny teeth. You show a bunny teeth?
Make it every day by me.
Okay, metal. This one is the stickers.
Okay. You see? I thought it's rolling. I was just about to open up.
What's this? You opening?
Disney Princess.
Disney Princess, is it?
I don't need to open it like one by one. I guess just everything open.
Who is she?
Ariel.
Ariel? Okay. Beautiful dress.
Gibi.
This is the flyers.
On one hole. What's I need to- I threw everything into the bin. Later we need to wash all the eggs
Yeah.
because they are a bit.
What's this?
It's the comment section below.
Yeah, Richard don't know what's the name. Anyone knows? Can leave the comment at the comment section below.
It's sticky. I need to make one extra hole. Again?
The same one? Okay, so you need to
Bye
read.
bye everyone. Thanks for watching my channel. Please keep any section